Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish jhol. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of your favorite fish, like rohu or katla, along with mustard oil, turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and coriander. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the fish, then marinate it with a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Set it aside while we prepare the other components. Next, we'll create the aromatic masala base for our jhol. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan until it smokes slightly, then let it cool a bit. Add chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Now, introduce a paste of ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder, along with half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook this mixture until the oil separates. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully place the marinated fish pieces into the simmering masala. Pour in about 2 cups of water or more, depending on your preferred gravy consistency. Bring the jhol to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. This allows the fish to cook through and absorb all the wonderful flavors of the spices. Avoid overcooking to keep the fish tender. Finally, your delicious fish jhol is ready to be served. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. This flavorful curry pairs perfectly with a bowl of hot, steamed white rice, making for a comforting and satisfying meal. For other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying features, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade fish jhol.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.